Captain Doodle's log. Another day of doodling and exploring. I have ventured into unknown lands. I see a volcano, a jungle.
Hey! What's the big idea, Soar?
Captain's log supplemental. I see a dinosaur. Run!
Hey! Hold your horses, Soars. The name's Stompers. And these are my Stompers. And I'm no dinosaur. I'm a Stylosaur.
Your name is Stompers and your shoes are called Stompers?
What do you call them where you come from?
Shoes?
Oh,
I'm Doodle Girl, by the way.
very good.
Stomper, your sticker, shoe, Stomper is falling off.
Whoa! It's hopeless. My Stompers won't stay stuck. If I can't keep them on, I'll never be able to compete in the style-off. I'm a fraudosaur.
Well, maybe I could help. What's a style-off?
Duh. A style-off is how Stylosaurs prove they're the styliest. Asaur. Go-go. Go-go? The style-off isn't till later. What are you doing here?
Oh, you know, I just thought I'd have a little ramble around the jungle. See and be seen. What tragic Stompers. You really should spend less time making new friends and more time styling.
Go-go is gonna be the styliest.
I know, I can doodle you new Stompers.
But Stylosaurs use stickers to make their Stompers, not doodles. And the only place to get new stickers around here is the fashionable forest.
The fashionable forest sounds like a really fun place. Let's go there and get you new stickers.
But it's really dark in there.
Nothing I saw doodling can fix.
Huh. Okay. Let's go. Asaur.
Wow, it is dark in here. In that case, doodle-loo. I'll draw us a lamp. Oops, forgot the bulb. That's a nice sticker.
Been there, done that.
What about that one?
Oh, that one is so last style off. Now this I like.
Me too. Try it on.
But every time I try, they turn out all scrunchy like this. Oh, I've tried everything. I've tried stomping them on. I've tried chomping them on. Oh, and I've even tried swamping them on. But nothing seems to work. If only my arms weren't so teeny weeny.
I've got an idea. Doodle-loo. Try this. It's called a shoehorn.
A horn? Like Go-Go has?
What? Mm-hmm.
Say, how did you do that?
Well, if you want to stick a sticker smoothly, start in the corner and push it on evenly like this. You can also use something hard and flat, like a ruler, to press it on. That way, you won't get any air bubbles stuck underneath. Give it a try.
Like this? Ew. Oh, no! I messed it up again!
You just need to practice, Stompers. For now, the way it looks suits you. You just need to be confident.
Okay, just gotta be confident. Let's do this.
Come on, Stompers. Let's go. Huh? What are those?
That's the judge. They're the Stylosaur that decides the winner soar.
Thank you one and all for another wonderful style-off. Today's winner is... it says here, go, go.
Stompers, I'm sorry.
You know what, Doodle Girl? I'm happy Saurus. Thanks to you, I learned to be confident and have fun, even when I could use more practice.
You know, Stompers, for a second I thought you had me. That new style of yours. I like it. Bold, brave, unrefined.
Hear that, Stompers? You keep on practicing and maybe you'll win next time.